today we have with us Meghna Sarogi, a very young and dynamic CEO and the founder of Mirar, which provides technology to the jewelry industry, to the retailers and manufacturers, wholesalers, to make their inventory go digital in a very convenient and safe manner. So, Meghna, welcome to the AOJ show.
Thank you so much.
Meghna, we'd like to first of all understand for the industry viewers who are first time kind of getting to know this AR augmented technology, how it works, and how many customers you have already kind of converted and they're using your technology.
Uh, Thanks, Sumesh, for having me here, firstly. So, Mirar is an augmented reality tech platform that lets customers try on jewelry without actually having to wear it. For jewelers, whether it is a wholesaler, retailer, or manufacturer, they can digitize their entire inventory and put it in Mirar to make it AR enabled. For wholesalers and manufacturers, once they digitize their inventory through Mirar, they can send it to all their retailers in just one click and keep sharing unlimited inventory with them to be able to see it on whether themselves on a model or see it in a gallery mode that we have. For retailers, they can digitize their inventory, put AR enabled through Mirar, and make their customers try on across the world through their websites, social media, etc. For the customers who are walking into their stores, they can have a kiosk with unlimited inventory and make them try on every collection they might have it or not have it in the store. So this lets jewelers show unlimited inventory and make their customers try on without even physically having to share it with them. Uh, Currently, we are working with close to 250 jewelers across the world, and we have been able to increase conversion ratio by 32%. We have been able to reduce the return rates and also increase traffic on websites by 4x.
Oh, that's very interesting, quite effective. Now, I understand, Meghna, you are kind of participating in the upcoming GGIF show at Chennai. What are your new offerings there for the retailers and for the industry?
So, firstly, we are very excited to come to the show because this is the first time we are visiting there. Uh, some of the most important offerings that we have is firstly the web AR. That means that in just one click, any jeweler can integrate Mirar into their websites, mobile apps, or social media. This is going to give them more access to reach out to their customers wherever they are across the globe. So WebAR is going to be a prominent, product that we are going to offer at the show. Along with that, we are also offering the in-store solution, which the jeweler can incorporate and have in their store and create huge kiosk, world-class experiences for their customers. We have some exclusive offers for the show, which we will give to only people who come at our stall and see our product and buy it right there. So please visit us at stall AA3 at the show, and we will be really happy to show you our product.
Wonderful. That's very nice. And finally, the last thing is, tell me, Meghna, as a traditional jewelers, they have been a little slow to adapt to the new technology, and they are there for last so many generations. I'm not saying everyone, but a section of that are a bit slow in adapting. So, how do you face this challenge dealing with the jewelers?
So I think the only way to make them believe in technology is to prove the fact that it's going to add value to their businesses.
Right.
Fortunately, we have been very lucky to work with some of the top jewelers in the country, and we have been able to show them the real value. So whether it is conversion ratio, whether it is reduction in return rates, what I feel is that our existing customers also act like our brand ambassadors because they cheer for us, they talk about us, they create videos for us. So I have personally seen that a brand who's using our product, the minute they talk about us to either a fellow jeweler or put about us on their social media, we get a lot of inquiries. So I think, a fellow jeweler always makes the other person, gives that confidence to start using. I agree that it's a little slow moving industry and people have taken a little bit time to adapt to it. But I think this is like a golden period for especially India, because I don't know any other country that has used, especially in the jewelry industry, used augmented reality so aggressively. So I am very, very positive about Indian jewelers and how they are going to very quickly adapt to this new technology and integrate with their brands.
True, I quite agree with you because today the technology is the key thing, and it is not like just as a thing in fashion. It is a thing to stay ahead of your competition and to
True.
add value to your customer in this COVID times and pandemic times, and be safe and give them new options sitting at home. So, wishing you very best, all the very best, Meghna, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Ramesh. It was a pleasure being here.
Thank you.